would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around.
Ayy, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it, ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy, ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he
flex, my bitch love Coco. Woo back, baby.
You ain't fuck me, you fuck the old body.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michaela here, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribe and join the family, and if you're not new, thank you so much, boo, for coming back and watching another video. So your girl got a new look out for you guys. This was very freehand. I didn't even know where I was going with this look, but it ended up coming out bomb, and your girl was looking like a whole transformed Baddie. Okay, so here I'm just doing my brows, you know the drill, using my same LA Girl Pro concealers and the Ruby Kisses brow kit to do my brows.
It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie, getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name? I know you say that I'm assuming things, something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. Nobody's holding you back from me.
All products will be linked down below, guys, but I didn't really want to do a whole voiceover tutorial. I just wanted you guys to watch me transform myself into a baddie. But I just use my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm using my MAC foundation to do my face. So yeah, all the products will be linked down below, guys. I just wanted you guys to watch this video, see me get cute or whatever. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, if you haven't subscribed already and you've reached this far in the video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, and also follow me on all my social media at Michaela. They will also be linked in the description box. Okay guys, so for the eyes, I'll be using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. I love this palette, guys. It's so pigmented. Quick turn up break in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Guys, you can't tell me that song is not a bop. Okay, so here I'm just using a Be Small fluffy brush that I got from Amazon, and I'm just blending that dark plum shade into my crease. Nothing too crazy. I'm going in with windshield wiper motions and also circular motions, and then I added that dark purple on top, and I'm using the same brush to do so. And later on you will see me add my transition shade, which will be from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm using the orange and the brown mauve, no, it's not mauve, the brown cocoa, like really reddish brown color, and I'm just gonna add that to my transition area.
We're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's hurt, then tell me who. Say my name. If no one else around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady.
We're gonna get into cutting this crease, girl. I am using the Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer, and this concealer reminds me of the P. Louise base, guys. I haven't had my hands on the P. Louise base, but I've heard about it, and this concealer reminds me of it. And my tip to you when cutting your crease, you need to take it very slowly because you can mess up, and you have to blend out the concealer after you finish cutting your crease, which I'm doing right here. Now I'm going to add this mauve tone pink on top, which is kind of like pink purplish, and then I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place the Warrior 3 or 2 palette, I'm not sure, and use the beige and the white mixed together, and finish packing on all my matte shadows on top of my lid. And then I'm going to add my eyeliner, which is the Sephora Jet Black liner.
2 seconds ago, said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself. When I just heard the voice, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I'm assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to do. We're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's hurt, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. If no one else not in the house. It's hard to believe that you.
Okay guys, for my lips I'll be using this, what's this called again? Absolute New York lip liner. Yeah, Absolute New York lip liner in hot cocoa. And then I'm just adding this Beauty Concepts lipstick. I don't know the name of the shade, guys. And then I just added some clear gloss on top, and I'm doing my highlighter. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys think your girl looks like a baddie. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media. They will all be linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Say my name. You act kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. You know I'm just around you. Say baby I love you.